Can I see the copy of the order?
रामजस फाउंडेशन ने स्टे ले लिया सुप्रीम कोर्ट से। सुप्रीम कोर्ट से अब तक ये केस चलता रहा। अब हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट से जीत गए हैं।
Sir, but the issue is not the issue is not about ownership. The issue है ना, यहाँ का issue ownership का है ना। Issue क्या है? Procedure. Moving people from their homes, you have to do proper procedure under Delhi law. Under Delhi law in the Indian Constitution.
ये अभी नए पड़े हैं। ये कोई ना तो 2000 ना 1999 ये अभी नए पड़े हैं।
Listen, the order you're mentioning, sir, is about ownership.
Ownership DDA है इसकी।
But that's not the issue. यहाँ तो legal issue क्या है? Is the notice issue and the meaning.
Government की जमीन से encroachment हटा के किसी को नहीं।
This is illegal, and we will, under current law, this is illegal to evict like this. 5,000 jugis cannot be demolished in one day with no notice. No way. That is illegal.
Encroachment हटाने कोई notice
The issue is process, sir. You must be able to. This is DDA is involved. A government authority is involved. When the government is involved in the demolition.
इनसे ये पूछा तो आपके इनके पास क्या प्रूफ है हाँ जमीन का? ये यहाँ कैसे बैठे हैं?
Yeah, there is this property.
हम लिया उनसे प्रूफ तो लाऊं से?
I'll bring it.
Ownership के.
When you remove people, when you move someone from one land away, if you own a land and you move them, you have to give them procedure. You have to give notice. You have to give them a new place to go, or in a direction that's close to where they live. The issue is the removal, how you remove. यहाँ का removal, you took a bulldozer and you stopped in one day. That is the issue.
Demolition करके आओ।
You're going to do the demolition. Yeah. It's illegal. We have the court.
Illegal नहीं है।
It is illegal. Show me the order, sir. Show me your order. Show me your authority that you can do this. As a government authority official, show me your authority. Is that when you remove people from the land, you have to follow a procedure. You have to give them notice.
Do you have copy of that order?
You have to give notice.
No. Government उस पे कोई notice नहीं देंगे और नहीं देंगे।
Never. Just listen, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
These persons are well aware and they were well aware of it, but only for the sake of argument. Now, is that what you're coming on?
Okay, there are two things. It's not only about the notice, it's also about providing another place to resettle.
See, those who are authorized, they will definitely be, considered for
they
this.
have to be first resettled and then you can go on with
रखेंगे शांतिपूर्वक, क्योंकि ये तो चाहता ही है कि अशांति हो और इनके ऊपर हम कार्रवाई करें। देखो सामने वो आज क्या वो पानी छोड़ने वाले ट्रक भी ले आए हैं, तो जो वो चाहते हैं हम लोग वो नहीं करें अपने।
No, but that's the difference, and I want to be really clear. The Supreme Court decision is regarding whether or not DDA or a government body has possession of the land. That is not the issue we are challenging. What we are challenging is that you have to engage and have meaningful conversation. You have to have a relocation process and plan in place when you do the eviction.
That's not the responsibility of DDA to have that.
It is the government, They're the respondents, sir.
We will show you that there are two type of clusters. Okay, one is the government has given a date. Before this, though, you identify those localities and give them the alternative. Then only you remove them. And this cluster doesn't fall in that category because this has formed up after 2007, which is the cutoff date. Okay. If it's not binding for us to issue a notice.
But why?
Right. Yes, because you have lost a case in the court.
It's again, the issue is not of possession.
No, you're not talking about the ownership. It is the vacation of the land. Just go through this.
I think we are talking in terms of even if you vacate, we are not saying that. If you vacate, you have to follow certain human rights processes.
Yes, human rights procedure. You can go and check in the code. DDA has followed what are the procedures have been told to follow.
Well, I think this order of 2010 mentions that you cannot be violating the human rights as such.
No, that's fine. We are not fine. We are not here to violate human rights.
Sure. That's why we are trying to also talk to you all.
हमारे बच्चे जान चुकी है, हमारे बच्चे भूख कर रहे हैं, हम कहाँ ले गए? सीताराम लेके गया और बैजनाथ लेके गया पैसे, कितनी यहाँ की वीडियो पुलिस थी वो लेके गए, पैसे हम कहाँ से लाके दिए हैं? हमारे बच्चे भूखे मर रहे हैं।
हाँ देखियो
हेलो, ये हटा लो, नहीं वो बुलडोजर बक्सेगा नहीं है, बक्सेगा नहीं वो, उसको क्या मालूम है, छोड़ देंगे।